Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Simran and this is my business plan. Food street is growing all over the world because they provide very tasty and delicious food at low prices, especially in developing world. But the dilemma is the uncleanliness of food and health and the wrong packaging material, that is plastic wrappers and plastic plate. But what if someone can provide you the same tasty, delicious food but prepared in good environment and that food is also healthy with enhanced customer services? Will you go for it? Yes, you will. And that is our idea, Grab a Bite, which is a food truck which will provide healthy and tasty food. Our mission to provide delicious and healthy takeaway food in eco-friendly packaging material to our community quickly and conveniently at affordable prices so as to enrich the quality of customers' health and life. Our aim is to become a countrywide popular brand by creating a superior customer value. Speaking of business, Grababite is not so common idea of food truck business in Pakistan. Along with taste, our priority will be food hygiene. We will prefer eco-friendly food packaging like recycled paper bags and cornstarch-based packaging. Speaking of mobility of truck, we will serve at different locations and for this reason we will prepare rotating schedule which will be shared with our customers via mobile app and social media pages. Customers can track the truck because we will enable a GPS system. The ordering will be automated by the self-service kiosk screen. Our key values are safe and healthy food, eco-friendly packaging, technology support. Our main objects are capture large community and to build a user interactive app, and in future we will go online as now we are only serving physical. Our main products are food, kebabs, sandwiches, parathas, salad, along with beverage, but we will provide variety in these four products. Our main locations are Shara, Faisal, and Tariq Road as we are serving in Karachi. Reason Tariq Road is a place where there are mostly the business offices and we want to attract working class, so it will be a best place for us. And look, Tariq Road, it is a 24/7 glamour road of Karachi. Speaking of management team, there are no such traditional hierarchy as it is a sole proprietorship. Financing can be done through the owner's own fund or the he can obtain loan from he will obtain loan from his relatives, friends, or even the banks. Our main revenue stream is the number of meals sold each day. However, we will also attend university fest and college events to attract more customers and to generate additional income. Speaking of target market, our target market is mainly the working class, the youth, which wanders over the roads, and everyone who look for a quick bite on go. Speaking of our supply chain, it is very simple. Suppliers, then we get the raw material, and it is under the kitchen team. Then we prepare the final product, and we will make sure it reaches the customer. However, it doesn't end here. Our main element is feedback. The management team will take the feedback from the customer through a mobile app which will be used in further processes, and in this way supply chain will continue. Speaking of our main topic, that is application of MIS, we on the kiosk screen where the customer will order, there will be menu. He will select the item. Now the payment method, he can payment by card, debit operated, or by cash. If he is going to pay by payment, he will pay it at that time, but cash will be paid later on. How I'm going to illustrate. This order is confirmed, receipt will be received. Chef and customer. Customer will wait for the order. When the order is ready, but now the important thing is orders are monitored by the person sitting at service window. He has the device which is connected to the kiosk and he will monitor every order which is given on kiosk. He will get the notification when the customer will go to the service window to receive his order. He will give the receipt. The person will enter the order number which was on the receipt on his or her device. He will receive this two messages. If it is paid by cash, he will receive this status paid, and after serving the order, he will take. But if cash payment method was used, he will take the payment, tick the box, and he will serve the food. In this way, transaction is completed, and not just completed, but it is recorded, which the software can use for the which software will record and saved, and at the end management can use it for analyzing the progress, analyzing the demand. Graphical representation is even possible by this software. So it is the MIS application which will help the management in decision making by analyzing the demand and forecasting the upcoming sales. Now, speaking of sustainability and resources, the four slogans of company were do well and make profits, but now community expect from companies that what they are contributing to us. Speaking of our sustainability, we are using eco-friendly packaging material. In that way, we are also contributing to the community and to our customers. We have aligned our mission with the objectives to ensure our long-term success. We are using technological environment, kiosk, and the mobile app, and an active social page in order to enhance our customer services. That's what will ensure our success. To sum up this all, we are here for customer effective solution. We have idea which will benefit the customer and the local community in a way that we will provide tasty food but at the affordable prices so they don't have to compromise at their health while going for taste. Yes, speaking of resources, it is a bit costly business startup as the truck as we have really fixed cost, but the truck can be rented or be bought, so we can also use cost cutting measures in this way. But speaking of sustainability, analyzing the factors, we can say it is a sustainable business. Thank you everyone for listening me.